My dear students of class 9, I hope you all are well by the grace of the Almighty. In the earlier classes, we have learned about noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb. Now we are going to learn about preposition. Put here, look at the sentence. Put the book on the table. Suppose this is table and this is book. Put the book on the table. Here the word one has been placed before the word table, which is noun, and shows its relation, that is the relation of the table, with another word book. Another word book. The book is on the table. Here the word on is preposition. Now carefully look at the following sentences. Similarly, carefully look at this following sentences. And there is a cow in the field. I will meet you at 6 p.m. Idleness is the root of all evils. He stood in front of me. Here, in, at, of, in front of, these words are underlined in the sentence. What do you see here? What can you see here? In, here, being placed before noun field, shows its relation to another word cow. Just here we find this is a word, this is a word, this is a word. But here we find a group of words, that is 3 words are used as a single, like a single word. That is a group of words. These underlying words are all prepositions. All these words are placed before a noun and shows its relation to some other word in the sentence. So Now the question is, what is a preposition? This is the definition of a preposition. What is a preposition? A preposition is a word or a group of words placed before a noun or pronoun to show its relation to some other word in a sentence. Thus, etc. At, in, with, on, upon, by, for, inside, beyond, at, below, beside, above, over, since, etc. are generally used as prepositions. Now we will discuss some uses of some particular. We will discuss the uses of some particular prepositions. At a time, that is, at is used when something happens. I will meet you at 6 p.m. at night. He will do the work. He arrived late at the airport. Here, at, when I will meet, that is, this indicates time, 6 p.m. At night, when, at night. At, he arrived late at the airport. At the airport, this is a point, certain point. That is a smaller place. In case of arrive, after arrive, maybe in larger places. He arrived in New York. Which is a larger place? In larger places, in is used, but at the certain points, at a point that is a smaller place, at is used. At is to describe the age, that is at a stage. She was married off at the age of 16. He left home at the age of 20. To describe where somebody or something is or something happens. We will be at home this morning. He is at Tom's house. At is used where somebody works or studies. He has been at the bank for about 5 years. He studies at the London School of Economics. That is also used to show ratio, his speed, etc. He is driving at 70 miles per hour. Rice sells at taka 20 per kg. Here, this indicates speed, here rate. Just like this, that can be used in to show in response to somebody. They attended the meeting at the chairman's invitation. Just like this, there are many other uses that now one where is one used? One is used mainly when we think of place as surfaces. For example, put the book on the table. Here, book on the table. Here, we think of a place as surface. On date or day or date. They came on Monday. Our exam will begin on November 10. Okay? On is also used to mean a specific bicycle, train, bus, ship or plane. Just like this, there are many other uses. In. Where is in used? In is used in the month, day, in the month, years. Long period of time. In January, in the summer or summer, in 1990, in 1990s, in 2000, in the past, in the age of C, etc. In is we can be in a town, in a country, in a village, in a road, in a desert or any other place which has boundaries or is enclosed. For example, we are in a room. We are in a room. In here, preposition. Just like this, in. Okay. In can be used to mean a specific car, taxi, van, lorry and ambulance. They came in a taxi, for example. Now, for or since. For is used for a period of time, for 6 months or 2 hours. For example, he traveled in the desert for 6 months. Bake it for an hour. Boil the water for an hour. But since is used for a point of time and means from that time to the time of speaking. Thus the preposition for and since are often used with the present perfect tense having a time phrase and present perfect continuous tense. Similarly, these prepositions are used with past perfect and past perfect continuous tenses. He has been here since Monday. Here, the structure subject has V3, that is present perfect, but here since Monday, this is a time phrase, is attached with this. That is, this perfect tense has a time phrase. Here since is used. Or five years. We have been living in Gopalganj for 5 years, for period of time. We have lived in Gopalganj for 5 years. This is also possible. Present perfect with time phrase. This is in very brief the uses of some particular prepositions. In fact, preposition is a very long term and has a lot of uses, many uses. Okay, here is the end of the class. We will meet again in the next class with the best of all of